Hey, how much do you pay in rent?
I pay $800 before utilities.
Can you give me a tour of your apartment?
I'd love to. My name is Whitney. Welcome to my crib. All right, this is my living room. This is where I like to hang out and watch TV. This is where I like to sit and read. This is my kitchen. And here is my fridge. This is my bedroom, and this is my plant jow. As a grad student, this is where I do all of my work.
So tell me about grad school.
I am a second year's master's student, and I'm getting my degree in public affairs with concentrations in policy analysis and information systems.
How do you usually get to campus?
Since I live downtown, I usually walk. It's about a 25 to 30 minute walk, and it's one of the best paths through campus. I live above Uptown Cafe on Kirkwood, and it is one of my favorite restaurants in Bloomington, and I always get the barbecue shrimp. This is another one of my favorite places to go. It's right across the street, and they have the best books and puzzles.
Whitney, thank you so much for giving me a tour of your apartment.
Thanks for coming by.